creation, to know that they were created by God in those amount of days and making it up to the seventh day where he rested. He blessed and he hallowed it. So we shouldn't be thinking of any day can serve, or it takes away the essence of the 6 days of creation and the seventh day as a day of rest. Does anyone know?
And the second day, God only blessed the seventh day. He didn't bless any other day in the week.
Amen.
Amen. Teacher, please, I want to ask a question. In the Bible, it stated, in the back of the Bible, it stated that the definition of a Sabbath, and it stated that Sabbath is only for the Jews, and Saturday is only for the Jews, and Sunday is only for Christians. The question is, isn't Christians, weren't there also Jews too? Because if Christians, which supposed to be Christ-like,